How to clear the cache memory of USB settings on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to clear the cache memory of USB setting on an Android device. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down and navigate to Apps. Now tap on App Management option. So depending upon your phone brand, it might be labeled differently. Just you can look for apps or manage apps. Now tap on the three dots at top right corner of your screen and tap on Show System. Here you can easily search for USB settings or USB preferences. Tap on the search bar at top of your screen and you can type in USB settings, USB preferences or USB debugging. So here we do not find that application currently on my device. So in case if you do not find on your apps, you can navigate to additional settings, go to developer options, and then here you can locate USB debugging settings or preferences. Now you can easily tap on USB debugging and then clear all the cache. As I do not have that feature, but if you have any, you can easily navigate to USB settings and then tap storage and clear the cache. This will not delete any personal data, it just resets the USB related preferences. Once done, you can restart your phone to apply the changes. Now your USB settings should be reset and your phone should prompt you again when you connect it to a PC or laptop. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.